All right, this is second grade module 7, lesson 21. The material that you need is the meter strip template. If you don't, that's okay, just watch me. You will need a ruler and something to write on. That could be paper or a dry erase board. All right, our focus today. I can identify unknown numbers on a number line diagram by using the distance between numbers and reference points. All right, let's first start with our word problem. To ride the Mega Mountain roller coaster, riders must be at least 44 inches tall. Caroline is 57 inches tall. She is 18 inches taller than Addison. How tall is Addison? How many more inches must Addison grow to ride the roller coaster? Let's use our read, draw, write strategy. Let's read it one more time. To ride the Mega Mountain roller coaster, riders must be at least 44 inches tall. That number seems like it's important. Oh, wait, it is. Caroline is 57 inches tall. She is 18 inches taller than Addison. How tall is Addison? How many more inches must Addison grow to ride the roller coaster? We have two questions here that we need to solve. First, we're going to draw a picture. We know that she has to be 44 inches to ride the roller coaster. So we do know how tall Caroline is. Caroline is 57 inches. Put C for Caroline. She's 57 inches tall. That's what we do know. We need to find out how tall Addison is. Okay. We do know that she is 18 inches shorter than Caroline. So when we see the word shorter than or taller than, usually that word than means we're going to be subtracting. In this case, we are subtracting 57 minus 18. Look at my ones and I see that I need to decompose. 4 tens, 10 tens plus 7 ones, 7 ones and 7 and 10 ones, 17. 17 minus 8 gives me 9. 4 minus 1 equals 3 tens. So that is 39. There's also another way we could do the arrow way. We could start at 18, and we're trying to get to 57. So we would add 2. That will be 20. Then we could add, trying to get to 50. So that'd be 30. And then to 7, 57 plus 7. So add our 30, 7, 8, 9, 30 plus 9 is 39 inches. Either one of those ways. If you like adding better versus subtracting and decomposing, either one of those ways is correct. So that's the first part. We know that Addison is 39 inches. So how tall is Addison? Addison is 39 inches tall. The second question said, how many more inches must Addison grow to ride the roller coaster? Well, we know that you have to be 44 inches to ride the roller coaster. She's 39. So we need to either do arrow way or subtract. I'm going to show you both ways. 44 minus 39. Decompose. That should be 5. All right. Arrow way, 44 to 39. Let's do 39. Go up to 44 plus 1. That gives you 40. Plus 4 gives you 44. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we need to write a sentence. How many more inches must Addison grow to ride the roller coaster? She needs to grow 5 more inches to ride. All right. As always, if you need more time, you can always pause. That was a 2 questions. That means we had to do 2 different things to find out if Addison could ride and how much taller she would need to be to ride the roller coaster. All right. Here is a student sample. Let me show you. Here it is. So very much like what we did, on this case, they have a blank here. 18 plus what gives me 57? And we can add that up to make 39, just like we did before. Addison is 39 inches tall, and Addison must grow 5 more inches to ride that roller coaster. All right, now, like I said, if you do not have the template, it's okay. You're going to follow along with what I have. So imagine this meter strip is one long piece instead of it cut into 2 pieces. We have 0 to 50 and then 50 to 100. Pretend it's one long strip, okay? What are the endpoints of the meter strip? Well, to remind you, endpoints are on one end, so that would be 0 on this end, and 100 would be the other end. Those are our endpoints. All right, what are the endpoints of the meter strip of 0 to 100? 0 and 100, that's right. If this shows 1 meter, how many centimeters are in 1 meter? That's right, 100. Let's change the endpoints. Put your finger on the 30 centimeters and the 50 centimeters. Here's my fingers, 30 and 50. All right. Let's draw a number line to represent this part of the meter strip. All right, use your meter strip as a ruler to make hash marks at 30 and 50. Then use your ruler to draw a line connecting the hash marks. What are you talking about, Miss Shelton? I will show you. So let's zoom in here. We have 30 and we have 50. Draw a straight line. There you go. A hash mark is just a line on each end. I want you to label it 30 on this side and 50 on this side. And we said our endpoints are on each end, 30 and 50, and we're talking about centimeters. All right, where did the 0 go? Where'd it go? That's right, it didn't go anywhere. We just zoomed in on our number line. It didn't disappear. We're just not using that part of the number line. We are zoomed into 30 and 50. That also means that 100 did not disappear either. All right, draw a hash mark in the middle of this number line, right in the middle. What number comes right in the middle of 30 and 50? That's right, 40. 40 comes right in the middle. 30, 40, 50. All right, now I'm going to make more equal units on the number line, drawing the hash marks in the middle between 30 and 40, and then 40 and 50. What would be label A and what will be label B? So what is halfway between 30 and 40, and 40 and 50? Yeah, we would count by fives because it's halfway between 30 and 40. It'd be 35 and 45. And why is that? Because each segment is 10, and half of 10 is 5. That's what I was saying. This is 10 between, this is 10 between. Half of 10 is 5 and 5. That is why it's 35 in between and 45 in between. All right, use the unit length to count up or down to figure out each endpoint. All right, so in this case, we're trying to figure out what E is. Well, we don't have any measurement to know how much is in between. So if I told you that 10 is the length measurement for each one of those hash marks, then you could figure out what endpoint E is. So counting by tens, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So E would be 140. What is the difference in the length between the endpoints? Difference means we are going to subtract. 140 minus 100 gives you 40. Good job. All right. Draw this number line shown below. We need to figure out what point A is. Only way we can do that is if we know what the measurement is. So counting backwards by tens to figure out what point A is. So 95, 85, 75, 65, 55. So point A is 55. All right, what is the difference on the number line? Again, difference is subtract. So you take your larger number, 95, minus your other endpoint, 55, equals 40. Or you could count 10, 20, 30, 40. Both ways will get you to the correct answer of the difference. All right, find the value of B on this number line. In this case, I'm not going to tell you what the segment is. The last two I've showed you tens. It could either be fives or tens. That's what we've been working on. So let's see. Can it be 5? Let's see. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Nope. Let's try tens. 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Yes, it's tens. All right, new number line. Find point C on this number line. Well, we have given us 100 and 115. It's 95 because they're going by fives. Let's check it. 95, 100, 105, 110, 115. All right, so what is the difference between the two endpoints? 115 and 95. 115 minus 95. Right, I could count by fives. or I could do basic subtraction. So I'm going to do by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's see if that's correct. It is. 115 minus 95 is 20. Find the value of point D. What is point D? Oh, we have to know what each mark represents because they did not tell us more than one piece on this number line. So we know the value of each hash mark is 10. So you have to count backwards. 65, 55, 45, 35. So D is 35. All right. So what is the other endpoint? And more than 65 is 75, right? So what is the difference between the two endpoints? 75 minus 35 is 40. Let's check. 10, 20, 30, 40. Or I can go backwards. 10, 20, 30, 40. Both ways are correct. All right, this leads you into your problem set.